You awesome rideshare driver? Ever wondered how to make the most out of your earnings? Let's delve into the world of taxes and accountants. Now stay with me. It is going to be fun and incredibly informative. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. First off, did you know that in a recent survey, 7 out of 10 rideshare drivers who use professional tax accountants found out they had been leaving money on the table? That is right, 7 out of 10. Whoa, right. Tax accountants understand the intricacies of tax laws that can often look like an intricate web to the rest of us. Now picture this. Every time you fill up your gas tank or change that oil, you might be looking at potential deductions. Then there's the case of those who think, I can just use tax software, and I am good to go. Well, a study revealed that those who used accountants saved, on average, 3 times more than those who only use software. It is like getting an extra boost in your miles per gallon, but for your wallet. Remember, you are not just a driver, you are a business. And businesses have their own unique set of rules, deductions, and benefits that can be easily missed without an expert eye. For every mile you drive, there is a potential saving waiting to be unlocked. And it is not just about saving, it is also about security. With an accountant, you have got someone in your corner, ensuring you are compliant with the latest tax regulations and keeping those unexpected tax bills at bay. So next time you pick up a rider and chat about your day, consider sharing this golden nugget, that getting a tax accountant might just be the turbocharge your financial journey needs. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what makes you interested in working with a tax accountant? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.